To make your very own ocean in a bottle, you're going to need a bottle. This is a smaller seltzer bottle. I added some ocean animals and a piece of cork to kind of simulate a boat in the ocean. You're going to want to fill the bottle about halfway full with canola or some kind of vegetable oil. So that's what I'm doing here. When you have it halfway full, you're going to want to fill the rest of the bottle with water. I added some blue food coloring to it just for fun, just to give it the more watery look, even though we know water is clear. People kind of associate water with a blue color. So I had a couple drops in. I kind of wanted it dark, so I put 4 drops in. Stir it up so it disperses, completely through the water. And then you're going to fill up your water bottle the rest of the way, pretty much to the top with your water mixture. Alright, now it's time to make some waves. Just pick up your bottle and tilt it back and forth and observe what happens. Did you know that on our planet, waves happen when our Earth spins on its axis and water is pulled by gravity across the geological formations of the ocean floor? When you move the bottle, you're seeing energy move through the water to make waves, just like out in the deep blue sea.